Don't ever make boring and ugly PowerPoint slide like this again. Instead, create something beautiful like this. In this video, I will show you step by step how I made this professional slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you want the editable file, check the link in the description below. To master creative design like this, watch till the end. Let's get started. First, select the rectangle and draw it to cover the entire slide. Insert two text boxes, one with the and another with founder. Select the rectangle and both text boxes together. Go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Change the fill color from Shape Fill. Add outline color for a clean look. Next, duplicate this slide for animation. On the second slide, select the Combine shape. Increase its size and adjust it to create a zoom effect. Then, insert a rectangle across the bottom part of the slide. Go to Format Shape. Under Fill, select Gradient Fill. Choose a linear gradient going up. For the third stop, increase transparency to 100%. Remove the outline again for a neat finish. Insert a text box with the title, The Founder. Add a short description below it. Go to Insert, click on Picture, this device and insert your image. Then Send to Back. Go to Transition, select Morph. Copy all these elements, Ctrl C, and paste them on the first slide, Ctrl V. Move the text and shape down outside the slide area. Select the picture, slightly increase its size, and send it to the back. Now, when you play the slideshow, the Morph transition creates a smooth zoom-in reveal with text and shape sliding in beautifully. And that's it. A professional animated slide design you can create in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks. And if you want to try this exact file, the editable file link in the description.